Hey, what's up guys? Engine Nussbaum here. And yes, this is the iPhone XR. Now you probably know, but it's the end of October and a lot of new phones were just released. I decided to pick up this iPhone XR in product red. So today I'm gonna unbox this phone, and this is kinda like your first impressions video. So without further ado, I'm excited. Let's take the top off, so just like this. I like how with Apple boxes, the bottom doesn't come up as well, just the top. It's a nice little design detail. Okay, so here's the pamphlet that comes in like every single iPhone box. It says, designed in Apple in California. If I take it out, there's actually this product red pamphlet and the classic hello start guide. So I'll put that to the side. Okay, so now here's the iPhone. So this is a very vibrant red, like really vibrant. A small cool detail on the phone is that of course it says iPhone on the bottom, but it also says product red to signify that this is the product red edition. So turning the phone around, here's the screen. So this is not an OLED screen, this is actually a liquid retina screen, meaning that the bezels on the sides are gonna be slightly bigger. But first impressions, the screen looks really great. When I look at the screen really closely, I really don't see any pixels. All the buzz about the screen being bad is really not true. It's actually really nice. Now of course you have that notch on the top, and it's the same notch as any other iPhone. And in here you have the earpiece, the front-facing camera, and the Face ID sensor. Now unlike the iPhone XS, the sides of this phone are aluminum. On the iPhone XS, the sides are stainless steel. So this is a slight downgrade in design, but also the price is a bit cheaper. Apple's used aluminum on the sides of their phones since like the iPhone 6, and it holds up really well. There's definitely no issue with aluminum. A small little detail I'm just noticing now is that actually the antenna bands are colored red. This really makes them blend into the whole chassis of the phone. It feels like one big glass aluminum sandwich. Okay, so putting the phone aside, let's get to these other two things that fell out of the box earlier. So this is the power brick, and here are the ear pods. So these are just the standard pair of ear pods that everybody knows and loves. At least some people love. Sometimes these don't fit in people's ears. Now the final thing in the box is just the lightning cable. Self-explanatory. I'm not gonna open this right now. It'll just make more of a mess. But yeah, that's really it for the box. Expect to see a couple of videos on this phone, as well as a full review, really soon. So please subscribe for more crispy content. I know this is a really short video. I just want to get a first look at the iPhone XR out to you guys. Peace.